Doctors usually recommend gaining weight to people who consistently weigh too little, which can cause a range of health problems. Bodybuilders and other athletes may also hope to gain weight by building muscles. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in the United States, the number of underweight adults aged 20 to 39 years in the country decreased from 3% to 19% between 1988 and 2008. A person who is underweight is likely to experience health issues including infertility, developmental delays, a weakened immune system, osteoporosis, and an increased risk of complication during surgery, malnutrition. While gaining weight can be a struggle, the following foods may help. They can also increase muscle and boost overall health. Foods to gain weight quickly. The following nutrient rich foods can help a person to gain weight safely and effectively. 1. Milk. Protein shakes can help people gain weight easily and are most effective if drunk shortly after a workout. Milk offers a mix of fat, carbohydrates, and proteins. It is also an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including calcium. One study found that after a resistance training workout, drinking skim milk helped to build muscles more effectively than a soya based product. For anyone looking to gain weight, milk can be added to the diet throughout the day. 2. Protein shakes. Protein shakes can help a person to gain weight easily and efficiently. A shake is most effective at helping to build muscles if drunk shortly after a workout. However, it is important to note that pre-made shakes often contain extra sugar and other additives that should be avoided. Check labels carefully. 3. Rice. A cup of rice contains 200 calories and it is also a good source of carbohydrates which contribute to weight gain. Many people find it easy to incorporate rice into meals containing a proteins and vegetables. 4. Red meat. Consuming a red meat has been shown to help with building muscles and gaining weight. Steak contains both leucine and creatine, nutrients that play a significant role in boosting muscle mass. Steak and other red meat contain both protein and fat which promote weight gain. 5. Nuts and nut butter. Consuming a nuts regularly can help a person to gain weight safely. Nuts are a great snack and can be added to many meals, including salads. Raw or dry roasted nuts have the most health benefits. Nut butters made without added sugar or hydrogenated oils can also help. The only ingredients in these butters should be the nuts themselves. Whole grain breads contain a complex carbohydrates and seeds which can promote weight gain. 6. Whole grain bread. These breads contain complex carbohydrates which can promote weight gain. Some also contain seeds which provide added benefits. 7. Other starches. Starches help some of the foods already listed to boost muscle growth and weight gain. They add bulk to meals and boost the number of calories consumed. Other foods rich in starch include potatoes, corn, quinoa, buckwheat, beans, squash, oats, legumes, winter root vegetables, sweet potatoes, pasta, whole grain cereals, whole grain breads, and cereal bars. Behind adding calories, starches provide energy in the form of glucose. Glucose is stored in the body as a glycogen. Research indicates that glycogen can improve performance and energy during exercise. 8. Protein supplements. Athletes looking to gain weight often use protein supplements to boost muscle mass in combination with resistance training. Protein supplements are available for purchase online. They may be an inexpensive way to consume more calories and gain weight. 9. Salmon. Salmon is a rich in healthy fats, omega 3 and protein. 6 ounces of salmon will contain about 240 calories, and salmon is also rich in healthy fats, making it a good choice for those looking to gain weight. 10. Avocados. Avocados are rich in calories and fat as well as some vitamins and minerals. These foods can help a person to increase their calorie intake in a healthy way. This will help a person to gain weight safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe the channel.